A vast, lush field is now a raging inferno. Greedy flames rise, dancing in an unrelenting fury that devours everything. Thick, black smoke, like an ominous omen, billows upward, swallowing the sky and casting a menacing shadow over all that breathes. Amidst this apocalyptic devastation, tiny figures of farm machinery and men move, seemingly insignificant against the disaster's scale, yet driven by desperate determination. A combine harvester advances, a steel giant seemingly defying fate. The roar of its engine is an anthem of resistance, as flames, like hungry tongues, lick its sides. It continues its work, apparently oblivious to the hellish heat and suffocating smoke. But its every movement is calculated, every pass an act of defiance. It's a race against time, a desperate attempt to snatch one last precious piece of harvest from the jaws of a fire that shows no signs of slowing, advancing relentlessly, yard by yard. On the ground, the battle grows harsher, more violent. Tractors, green behemoths, line up alongside the combine, plowing the earth with surprising ferocity. They aren't just machines, but allies in a fight for survival. Each furrow carved as a line of defense, an almost heroic attempt to create an insurmountable barrier, an earthen ditch that might, just might, halt the fire's relentless advance. The air is thick, unbreathable, heavy with the acrid smell of burning. But the action is ceaseless, driven by an iron will that knows no surrender. Once again, despite the inferno surrounding them, the combine and tractors don't stop. They seem almost possessed by a primal force, united in a single, unceasing movement. Every turn, every pass, is an act of pure resistance, a desperate attempt to limit the damage, to save what remains of an entire year of sacrifice and hope. The fire has left behind a deep scar, a vast expanse of burnt, blackened earth, a desolate, lunar landscape that brutally contrasts with the few untouched areas of the field. It's a silent warning, a tangible testament to how quickly a single incident can annihilate an entire harvest, erasing a year of toil. Among the smoking embers and acrid fumes, human figures move with urgency, small but fueled by fierce determination. These are the workers, armed with extinguishers and hoses, running, faces smudged with soot, trying to tame the lingering flames, to smother every single spark that threatens to reignite the nightmare. Their dedication is almost moving, a mix of desperation and courage in the face of a fury that seems unstoppable. Then, a flicker, a spark of hope ignites in the oppressed air. The arrival of the firefighters, their howling sirens tearing through the deafening silence of the disaster, brings a sense of relief that almost breaks the heart. The final scene is an anthem to resilience, an image of hope rising from the ashes. The farm machinery continues to work in the field, a tangible symbol of rebirth. Despite the immense difficulties and losses suffered, the farming community is ready to begin again, demonstrating a strength and determination that can overcome every obstacle.